Dear students, this is Mentors English Express and I am Sudha Oberoi. In my last video, I had explained poem number 4, A Thing of Beauty, to the students of class 12th from their English book Flamingo. This poem was composed by John Keats. Today, in this video of question answers part 1, I am going to explain you important points of the poem which will help you to recall the poem. And I am also going to discuss textual questions. Here are important points of the poem. A thing of beauty is a constant source of joy. It never fades away. Its beauty increases manifold with the passage of time. Like a tree gives a cooling effect under whose shade a tired traveler gets a sound sleep full of dreams, similarly a beautiful thing also rejuvenates our spirits by removing pall of gloom. Next, there is no dearth of inhumanity on this earth which constantly causes troubles and stress. For example, man's hostility, rivalry, cutthroat competition, jealousy, loss of faith, degradation of values among humans, etc. There are numerous objects of nature which fill our hearts with ecstasy and optimism, like the sun, the moon, old and young trees, flock of sheep, daffodils, crystal clear rills which give cooling effect against the hot season, etc. Next, the mighty dead were the people of great power, authority and grandeur, because they did brave deeds in their lives which have made them immortal. It is believed that they will be handsomely rewarded on the doomsday. Next, the fables and stories which we have read or heard since our childhood are wonderful, but the loveliest thing of all are the gifts of nature which are like immortal nectar. I hope these points have helped you recall the poem. Let us discuss textual question answers. First question is, list the things of beauty mentioned in the poem. Every object of nature is beautiful and a constant source of joy for us. These objects are the sun, the moon, trees old and young, flock of sheep, a garden full of daffodils, crystal clear water bodies, etc. So there are so many objects mentioned, you can pick up any. Next, list the things that cause suffering and pain. There are various things in our surroundings that cause suffering and pain. The lack of noble qualities among people, their selfish and hostile nature, and evil ways cause unending pain. Next, what does the line, therefore are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to earth, suggest to you? According to the poet, we get attracted to the beautiful objects of nature and weave a flowery band which fills our hearts with optimism and binds us with nature. Next, what makes human beings love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? The eternal beauty of nature and noble souls remove the pall from our darkened spirits. They give us happiness and inspire us to love life in spite of all troubles and sufferings. Next, why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? The mighty dead were our ancestors and great warriors who were powerful in their own domain and have done brave deeds in their lives which have made them immortal. We are grateful for their selfless love and wish that they would be rewarded on the day of judgment. Hence, grandeur is associated with them. Next, do we experience things of beauty only for short moments or do they make a lasting impression on us? According to the poet, a thing of beauty is joy forever. Even a short contact with it gives us immense joy and leaves an everlasting impression on our minds. It never fades away, and whenever we recall, it comes flashing back to our minds and fills our hearts with ecstasy and hope. So, thing of beauty is joy forever. Next, what image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? The beautiful bounty of the earth is described as endless fountain of immortal drink constantly pouring from heaven. The objects of beauty are daffodils, clear rails, flock of sheep, old and young trees, etc., which are endless source of joy and happiness. Dear children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.